Let's talk Instagram algorithm again. So this is the part 3 of talking Instagram algorithm, like everything that I do for clients, no gatekeeping, so feel free to take some notes. At hindi nyo pa napapanood yung Instagram part 1 and part 2, here's the video of it, part 1 and the part 2. And I would definitely suggest to watch those two first before going here because there's something connected sa mga algorithm. And as a social media manager, knowing what algorithm is very, very important siya. We are not only posting content, we are not just creating content, but we create content based on the algorithm. Kaya, guys, yung part 1 and part 2, panoodin nyo yun because that's where you will learn how Instagram algorithm works. And on this video, we're going to talk about carousel, reel covers, and hashtag on Instagram. So first is the carousel. Akala natin, reels lang yung nagpapataas ng awareness, nagpapataas ng views sa account ng client. But I'm going to tell you, you are wrong. Because carousel is what's working to my account and to one of my clients' account. And actually, isa lang talaga yung account na handle ko right now na nag-work din yung carousel sa kanya. And most of my client, ang nag-work sa kanila is Reels because they love creating Reels. Mas madali kasi si Reels kaysa sa carousel. And I am showing you my insights sa carousel. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, carousel talaga is what's working sa akin. Diyan ako nakakakuha ng leads, diyan ako nakakakuha ng followers, ng comments, ng engagement, and everything. Carousel. Then, ito naman yung content ng client ko na carousel din ang nag-work sa kanya. I'm just going to show you some insight of the carousel na nagbo-blow up ngayon sa kanya. Kaka-post niya lang ng iisang carousel because she used to post reels then but we try carousel and ayan yung nangyari sa kanya. And ito yung masasabi ko sa inyo, when you are creating carousel, put a hook sa first and second slide and then storytelling. If makikita nyo on how I create carousel, I always put hook that will make people stop the scroll and read my carousel. And then storytell na for the rest of the slide. Another tip when creating carousel, add an audio because Instagram algorithm, kahit carousel yan, magpupush pa din yan sa Reels tab. Even though Reels tab siya from the word itself, Reels tab. Reels lang ang nag-show. Pero if you put an audio, dyan sa carousel mo na yan, mag-show up din siya sa Reels tab. Kaya sa analytics, makakita tayo na under the source of views is from Reels. Ayan. That's why I put an audio. But if you want to know more about creating carousel and how we can increase more awareness to that, I have video here. Ayan, panoodin nyo siya. Sobra dyan nyo malalaman kung paano ako mag-create ng carousel for client and for my account without showing my face, just a picture and do the storytelling. Storytelling is very important, promise. Next is reel covers. So, si reel cover, very important din siya to make your feed look good. But other than that, it is a hook sa explore page. I know that I have talked about this dun sa part 2 ng algorithm, feel free to watch it. But reel cover, sobrang importante din niya. And also, if other than the reel cover, the first slide of your carousel. Bakit? Let's say, your reels is nag-viral. Tapos, ano yung always natin ginagawa kapag may nakita tayong reels, tapos nagustuhan natin yung content na yun? We always check the profile of the content creator who created that reel. And syempre, kapag na-check natin yung profile na yun, makikita natin yung mga post nila, di ba? It is a reel covers yung makikita nila. So, ano yung magiging reason for them to watch that content? Make sure yung reel mo may hook din that will make people stop the scroll and click that content and watch it. Kaya dapat, yung mga reel covers mo is something na encouraging and engaging to the point na mapapaklik talaga sila because they want to see more of that content. And here are the reel covers or the feed plan that I have created for my clients. This one, this one, this one. So, those are the reel covers na kinreate ko sa kanila. Hindi lang siya pampaganda ng feed, but I am making sure na it is something that will make people click that content. Because if you're a potential client, go and check your profile. Your feed is their first impression. Kaya make sure that you make it look good and at the same time is encouraging to watch. And the last topic is hashtags. But before we go to the last topic, I am encouraging you guys to connect with me sa Instagram and TikTok. And I want to learn more about who you are and how can I help you. So feel free to connect with me there. So let's proceed. Last topic, hashtags. When it comes to visibility or increase of views, hashtag will definitely not going to help you. Kung aasa kayo na maglagay ka dyan ng hashtag para dumami yung mga views kasi pampataas din ng views yan. No. Hashtag won't work that way. But when it comes to searchability, SEO, keywords, dyan ka matutulungan ni hashtags. That's why put keywords sa mga hashtags. Or ano ba yung keywords na sinasabi mo, Shara? Yun yung mga always sinesearch ng tao. So I would suggest maximum of 5 hashtags lang ang ilagay mo para naman hindi siya masyadong pangit tingnan at hindi mo kan judgment. And at the same time, hindi siya magmumukhang spam. So make sure that you put hashtag na laging sinesearch ng audience nyo. So for example, dito, as a beginner social media manager, ano ba yung lagi nyo sinesearch? How to become social media manager? What social media managers do? Or beginner social media manager tutorial or something experience about social media manager. So, yun yung alam ko na sinesearch nyo. That's why I'm going to put it dito sa mga sinasabi ko, sa keywords, sa hashtag, or whatever it is to increase my searchability. And honestly, the head of Instagram just launched a new update that all of the content that we posted on Instagram will be searchable sa Google or whatever search platform it is. Kaya put a keyword, a hashtag will definitely help your content to pop up to those search bar. And sobrang dami pang meron sa Instagram na kailangan yung malaman. And I am here to not gatekeep and tell you everything that I know as a social media manager. So, feel free to subscribe on this YouTube and I will see you on my next video.